Hello, this is a Rubik cube. Today I'd like to show you how to complete this size of cube. First, we focus on every center of cube: orange, white, red, green, yellow, and blue. Now we can choose any size of cube. For example, we can start with yellow. Now find the yellow color here, move it here. Okay, we have to, and this we move it to another position. This, move it to this, and move it up, move it right, return it. This, we can move it to another position before we visit that position. Last one, where? Here. Now, rotate it. Okay, first side done. Now second step, we finish the first level every side, and the second level then, and the last level, the last step. Now we finish this. We focus on center color. White should be here. Red should be here. Green should be here. This done. Orange should be here. Okay. Red should be where? Here. Red should be here. Can we move it? Move this color to this. Move it. Okay, and replace this to this by rotating. Okay, again, red here. Okay, now yellow and orange moved. Now we fix it. Where is orange? Orange here. Orange. Now we rotate it down and move it to orange position. Orange here, and white here. White should be here, so we move it to another position. White, red, green, and orange. Okay, now we fix corner. Green and orange. Green, orange. Green, orange. It means that should be green, should be orange. But it's here. We move it and use it to fix green and orange position. Okay, green, orange. Now red and green. Red, green. This should be here. Okay, move this. Green, orange. Now white and red. Red, white. Okay. This should be here. Good. Now orange and white. White, orange. The last step to finish the first level. First level done. Now the second level. We use two formula. Here is the formula. First formula to move from bottom to the left. The second formula to move from bottom to the right. Bottom to the left. Bottom to the left. Or bottom to the right. Depend on color. For example, here green and red. Green should be here or here, but red not here. Red here. It means that this color move from bottom to the left because red here. Bottom to the left, we use this formula. Bottom left, invert bottom, invert left, invert front, bottom. Okay, move from bottom to the left. Move from bottom to the left, we rotate in right side first. Left, bottom invert, bottom left, bottom invert, front invert, bottom and front. Okay, green and red. Now next, white and orange. White here, orange, orange. From bottom to the left again. Bottom, inverted left, inverted bottom, inverted left, inverted bottom, inverted front, bottom and front. Now white and orange. Okay. Next, green and orange. Green here, orange. Sorry, green here, orange here. So that's why this color should be moved from the bottom to the right. Bottom to the right. We use in the second formula. The second formula the same but different direction. Bottom invert, right invert, bottom, right, front, bottom invert. Okay. Bottom to the right. We move it to the right direction, the left direction. Right, bottom, right, bottom, from right, front, invert bottom, invert front. Okay, green and orange. Now next. Oh, this. In this situation, we move any color to right, to move right to another position, and then we try to fit it. Okay, from here to here, bottom to the right, we're using the second formula. Invert bottom, invert right, bottom, right, bottom, front, invert bottom, invert front. Now the color of white and red now change. We find here white and red. We move it, white and red. Red here, you're using the second formula to move from bottom to the right. Using, okay, invert bottom, invert right, bottom, right, bottom, front, invert bottom, invert front. Okay, now every position is fixed. A level, second level. Now the last level, we're using four formulas to fix the last level. This is the four formula. The first formula to make cross dot at the bottom, and the second formula to fix color of every side of last level, and the third level, and the third formula to fix every corner of, to fix colors of every corner, and the last step to fit every corners. Okay, the first we focus on the center of last level, blue. Now the first formula we make cross with blue, cross dot with blue color, and the second formula to fix color of this side. White should be here, red should be here, green should be here, and orange should be here. And the third formula to fix color every corner. For example, here should be red, white and blue. Sorry, orange, white and blue. And here should be white, red and blue. And the last level, last formula to fix color of this every side. Okay, we start. Now we do in the first formula. Right, front, bottom, invert front, invert bottom, invert right. Okay, to move from right side to the top. We can do many times, not only one. Okay, now we move from right here. This to move from right to the top using the first formula. Okay, here, bottom, this, front, bottom, invert front, invert bottom, invert right. Okay, we have cross rod in blue color. Now change to, we use the second formula to fix color of every side. Now we use second formula to fix color of every side in cross rod. Means that the second formula to fix here white, to make red here, to make green here, to make orange here. The second is left, bottom, inverted left, bottom, bottom 2 times, left inverted bottom. Okay. Now we move to the red color first. Okay, this fits, but this not fit. We keep this to change white and orange. Left, bottom, left, bottom, left, bottom, left, bottom. Okay, orange here, white here, red here and green here. Now the third formula. First formula to fix color of every corner. From the color will be changed from this to this, this to this, this to this. But this fix it doesn't change. It will not change after we use the third formula. Bottom, left, invert bottom, invert right, bottom, invert left, invert bottom and right. Now, first we find where is the cell with fit color. Okay, here should be red but not correct. Red, green, not correct. Here should be white. White is okay, blue okay, but not correctly color. Every corner is not correct. They're not correct, so we can choose any position to move it. So let's see, red, green, no, blue, white and red, no. Okay, we can do one time. Bottom, left, bottom invert, right invert, bottom invert left, invert bottom, invert right. Okay, it fits, this corner fits. Okay, we keep this to use the third color, the third formula to change every cell. Here we can see green, blue, green, orange, green, orange. Okay, now we use the third formula, this position will be here, and this will be here, and this will be here. Okay, now keep this to again the formula, the third formula. Bottom left, invert bottom, invert right, bottom, invert left, invert bottom, invert right. Now we can see correct, red, blue, green, red, blue, green. It's good. And now we use the third formula to face color. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. Okay. Every corner is face color. Now we use the last one, last formula. We focus on the second. We have two options, so we can use one of them. In my case, I do the second one. Inverted right, inverted bottom, right, bottom. Okay, to do that, we should down this face to this. Okay, and here, and then we can choose any side of this with the same. It's done. It's done, but it's not finished. Okay, from here we move one round to the right and use the fourth formula. Inverted right, inverted bottom, right, bottom. Not finished again. Right, but inverted bottom, right, bottom. Now it's fixed. Okay, move to the right one round. Inverted right, inverted bottom, right, bottom. One more. Inverted right, inverted bottom, right, bottom. Again, right, bottom, right, bottom. Inverted right, inverted bottom, right, bottom. It's fixed now. Okay. Every style of Rubik Cube is done. Good successful to you. Thank you.